So now we'll use this LSS drawing from a previous project to show you how we use these markups. The markups that we made with using our toolboxes. This one we used fire alarm toolbox for this. You'll notice some of the colors are slightly different than here. That's to show the difference in the sig loops when you have multiple sig loops. So down here on the bottom left, you'll see where it says markups. If we click this, it'll pull up a whole list of markups. Now any of these and any of these icons, if you click, hold, and drag, you can pop them out and move them around, put them on a second screen. But for now I like to keep this at the bottom right here. Some things I'd like to know. We can sort by subject. Okay. Strike through, page label, date, creation, color, layer. To right click on this, columns here, you can choose additional columns if you need to, or take some away. I'd like to choose label on this as well because I know there's some good information in the labels that Chris made when he built this drawing. So as I hover over these, I see this is 4304 low. Well, I'd like to see where this sig loop runs to, 4304 low. If I click on this here, pull over, I see that that's in the label section. So if I want to see just that, 4304 low, filter the list, click here, I can scroll down. Now everything goes gray except for the 4304 low. Now I can follow that around the whole job. There's a couple of different ways to get to it. So I'm going to pull up so I can see a little more. I know this is about the length of the total run, 577 feet. That can help me in ordering cable. If I click here, it'll take me to the location of either of those markups. Now when you print this out, it also comes through as just what's seen here. Whoops. Control Z brings something back, anything back. So as you're navigating around, you may want to hold the clicker on your roller. We'll bring a hand and you can grab without grabbing anything. It can be helpful. Let's filter out for something else. So go back over here. Clear that filter. Let's say another one of these columns, I just want to see how much 1-inch EMT that I have for this floor. So if I go here to length, this is my overall length, approximate length. This floor, any of these I click on will take me to those direct runs. Again, this can be nice for ordering purposes. Just get some bulk orders in. I can change that easily to see how much rigid conduit I have. Click that. It's like now it's level 5 on the page label of approximately 380 feet. Another thing that can be helpful for takeoffs, besides using the filter function, you can do a search. I just type in sleeve, so I know how many penetrations that I think I'm going to need. Click here, 71 sleeves. So some of these sleeves are going through pop-outs in this particular job. Usually your sleeves go between 2 floors, and it's good to have a count of 71 so you can price that out as you go through. It shows you here from what level to what level, what loop, what type, and again, you can print this out and the rest is gray and only what you've filtered for is on there. If I want to see just what's on level 1, really you can use these many different ways. These filters, the more comfortable you are with that information, the better off you're going to be in using these. The data is input using this tool set for lengths, additional information. can be put in this section depending on the tool.